How to turn off or on microphone permission on reviews on Amazon shopping on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick on Amazon shopping. First, open Amazon shopping and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner. After that, click permissions, and once you're here, scroll down, scroll until you find it. Just keep scrolling, and here's it, reviews. And now you can turn it on or off just by one click, and I hope that can help you. Then just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.